On this occasion, I will share a tutorial to get free likes on your TikTok videos. Hello guys, see you again with Abdi79. On this occasion, I will share a tutorial to get free likes on your TikTok videos. But before continuing, for those of you just found this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe, like, comment and share button so that this channel is better in the future. Let's go straight to the tutorial. Here I use Google Chrome, then type zvoice.com. Then click Zvoice at the top. This is how it looks. Then enter the verification code. Then you select the like section, then click. Then you are asked to enter the link of the video you want to add likes. Then we go to the TikTok account fish. Then copy the link. Then we go to back to Zvoice area and paste it. Then click share. Here we are to wait 2 minutes to complete the process. And the increase in like for 4 days, and it is certain that your video will increase in likes. That's the tutorial this time. Hope you fully useful, and don't forget to press the subscribe, like, comment and share button so that you get update from this channel. Thank you for visiting this channel.